everyone, Energetica India is at Intersolar Gujarat 2026. We are joined by Mr. Ravi Patel, Director, NAC Energy India Private Limited. Hello sir, how are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
So tell us about NAC Energy in brief, in a nutshell.
So the journey for NEC Energy started in the year 2021. So we are a 40 years old family business, and we started with the main product of our as encapsulants and backsheets. In 2024, we diversified further into modules manufacturing, and currently we have an installed capacity of 800 megawatt, and so far everything is good.
Okay. So this year, what are you showcasing at Intersolar?
So recently, this month we started our production for the G12R. So we have started with 635 watt peak panel. As far as the Indian installation market is concerned, G12R is benefiting many of the EPCs player in terms of saving, in terms of balance of systems and costings. So yeah, this is the new way forward for the solar modules in the Indian market.
Sir, tell us about any new trends or technologies that you might have observed at Intersolar. We are in the second day now. So tell us about your observations. What new have you observed?
So as far as the solar market is concerned, we have came across many manufacturers showcasing G12R and G12 modules. Apart from the solar market, if we look at the Indian battery market, so we have many manufacturers showcasing the battery energy storage system solutions also. So let's hope that the battery energy storage system becomes commercially viable, and it gets pushed into the market because it has many benefits of its own. So yeah, these are the new trends that we have seen in the exhibition this year.
Okay, and sir, what are your views on the current Indian solar market?
So as far as the Indian solar market is concerned, we are seeing a huge shift in terms of the journey towards self-sufficiency with the new rules kicking in by the Ministry of New Resources and Renewable Energy. We are moving towards self-independency in terms of having raw materials in our own country of our own. So this will reduce the dependency that we have for raw material resources on other countries, and this will eventually improve the whole ecosystem of solar module manufacturing in India. So everyone's very happy about it, and so yeah, it's a good thing.
As you mentioned about the dependency on other countries, with the new rule coming in, how far do you think it will lessen up? I mean, how effective would it be for the industry?
So if we talk about the immediate effect, there would be some difficulty in terms of managing the supply chain for the manufacturers, but it's never about the small term picture, it's always about the long term picture. And looking forward, after 6-7 months, the supply chain will get more ease, the operations will improve, and eventually we'll see India overall getting empowered with the whole ecosystem developed herein.
We hope this happens, because as we evolve, technologies evolve, market also evolves, and it's always good to manufacture in our own country and keep going forward. We hope that NAC Energy will participate in this and keep growing and contribute to Indian growth. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.